Here's how to set up your homepage slider. By default, when you set up your homepage, your slider will be missing at the top. Let's go ahead and go to our dashboard and go over how to add in our slider. So the slider is controlled under Revolution Slider, and you can of course create a new slider. If you look under your files that you've downloaded from ThemeForest, under Additional Files and Revolution Slider, there's the documentation, there's example sliders under there, and that'll cover all you need to know about the Revolution slider. But we also include the slider that we use in the home page. So if you want to use that one, go ahead and click Import, Browse, and again under Additional Files, under Live Preview Files, select slider homepage.zip. So we're going to open that up and import it. And then now we have our slider, and the key to this is this short code. So copy your short code, then go to your home page and edit it. So if you edit your home page, go under homepage slider at these post options and insert your slider short code. So if we update that, let's go and open this in a new tab. You can see our slider shows up. Couple things to note is these little blue buttons don't show up correctly. To fix that, just go to your Revolution slider, edit your slides, and then you'll want to edit each slide real quick and just click update. So once you update each slide, you just do that to all 3 of these slides, click update. It'll fix that blue button. So now when I refresh it, you can see the buttons will display properly. And let's go over how to edit this a little bit. So again, under Revolution Slider, you can, there's main settings, and then you can edit, things like how long the slides work, all sorts of options. They're all pretty self-explanatory. You can play around with them. But the main thing you'll probably want to edit is the slides themselves. So if you edit a slide, you can easily adjust the image. You can also adjust the text. So for instance, let's start over there. So if we go to our slider, we can edit our slides and go ahead and pick a slide to edit. You can do cool things like, let's go ahead and change the image. Let's go and add in an image. Insert it. Then you can do things like changing the text. So these 3 layers are the different text. You can adjust the title. You can adjust this text that displays right there. And then for the button, it's the button short code, and we have it added in there for you. So if you want to adjust the URL for, where the button links to, you can adjust the button, so example button. And there's 2 of them, so let's go and just make one for example's sake. Let's update this slide, and when you refresh your home page, you can see we've adjusted the background image, we've adjusted the title, we've adjusted the text, and the buttons. Sorry, I scrolled forward. And the button and the text. And then you can do, basically you have your limitless as far as this goes. You can adjust the positioning, transitions, all that stuff. Revolution Slider is great for that. If you just want to quickly adjust the text though, that's super easy. You can just select each layer right here and then update the slide. So that's going to cover how to adjust your homepage slider. You just want to go ahead and dig in, or visit the documentation again for the Revolution Slider in more detail under Additional Files, Revolution Slider, and Documentation.